We are out here today. We are going to be fishing Milwaukee today. I am out here again with Dani Dip.
What's up?
Make sure you guys check out his channel. We got the Jen show bent over looking for her stuff over here. And like I said, we are in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So we're going to see what we can find here. This is the first spot of the day. Today we're going to be using the Rogue Magnetics Beast, 1,200 pound single-sided magnet. Dani Dip with the privilege of using the Boss 360 from Brute. Make sure you guys check him out though. It's been an honor and a pleasure to be here with you this weekend fishing, so let's get to it. Hey guys, my first find of the day is like a little hook thing. Alright guys, so we weren't finding a whole lot at the last spot we're at. We're down here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, so we got a good little spot. Again, we got Dani Dip and the Jen show together. Oh my gosh, what a collaboration, the Jen show and Dani Dip.
Every time you try to show the Jen show, I'm bent over.
That's a good question, Jen. So what'd you find?
Pretty sure that's paraphernalia.
Is that, yeah, that looks like a crack pipe almost.
That's a good time.
Jen found her first crack pipe.
Snakes up off the bottom? Just found a BB gun right now.
So Dani Dip just found.
Yeah, it has electrical tape around it, make it look realer.
Yeah.
So Dani just found.
Electrical tape, fingerprint.
That too. Well, that doesn't matter if you throw in the water.
Let's see that one.
It's gonna
Dani
be
Dip
off anyways.
Just found, yeah, BB gun. But what a find, dude.
That's one gun. I count that as a gun.
Yeah.
Don't matter if it's a BB gun, it's still a gun.
Good find.
We got something again. Open it. It might be a shopping cart.
Yeah. Dude, look at the strength of this 360. It's pulled up a whole shopping cart. Like, no problem.
That's a little weird, I thought. I've been in there a while.
Sweet.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Here, put that bucket.
And you said it still works?
Yeah, it pushes around. We could use that as a cart.
Oh, dude. Jen, hey, it pushes better than most of the shopping carts. What's on the inside of it? So Dani's got a caught rim. Nice.
Nice. We can just put it in the shopping cart.
Right? Look at that. Ooh, that really stinks.
Yeah.
Road sign.
Road sign.
Oh, twist. Come on, twist for me.
So Dan's got a road sign. Okay, let me see your magnet. Let me get her magnet on here real quick.
That's a big one.
Oh, jeez.
That's a big one. Road sign.
Yeah. What if those lights still working? Put them on the trailer in case it's dark.
This might have been what that was. I like skipped over something. You guys will just open it up and stand it right there.
Put it over that.
Over the whole.
Oh yeah. We're gonna help the city out right now.
Is anybody recording?
I am. So when we came down here, you guys, there was a huge
there's
part of this grate missing.
Great miss. So we're gonna put this road sign over it. You wanna grab that side?
Yep.
And we just saved a car from pulling out their car.
Dude, that would have been so bad.
Will.
I got a pry bar in there. What you got?
It's a magnet. Thank you. Come again. You got a knife?
Yeah.
Is this
Here.
stuff? Yeah. That's probably what I was on. I ain't got time for all that shit.
Alright guys, so we got Dani Dip taking us on a new spot. We got Jen show. And we got myself walking down here. Pretty sweet little area. We're gonna get down like again in the shade. Dani, look underneath here. Dani. Look over here. This is a pretty sweet little spot all along the river walk. Shade. Oh. This is a nice little spot. His first find here.
I'm stuck on this. I gotta like
You got it?
Is that all concrete?
Yeah.
You want to grab it? I ain't got two gloves.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, them are all shells. And eggs.
What do you want?
Nasty.
Yeah, no. Want to set up in the corner?
Throw it up over there.
For the time being, yeah. Come over.
Can we grab it from this side?
Here, you want to get
a
your
piece of the old bridge?
Yeah,
You got that off?
yeah. Look at all them eggs, dude. Can you get your bacon off or not? All right, ready?
1 second. Ooh, it stinks. Like donut.
What is that? I don't know. You ready?
Hey, you want to try to get that off first? You want to hold it?
Oh shit. Nasty, nasty boat.
What do you got?
Jen's got a barbell. She got a nice little spot underneath here.
Clam dinner.
Yeah, clam. Yeah, clams kebab.
No, I got a clam dinner. We're not doing that.
So, I can grab that one. Dude, that is so cool. Wow, dude. Look at this. Underneath this spot here.
Yeah, I'm not as slippery. I don't know.
Yeah, that'd be too slippery. All right, guys, so we just found those 2 lime scooters underneath here. We just kind of went down and explored a little bit. Look at some of this graffiti though, you guys. This is so cool down here. We got these. And then we got down here. Coming down here real quick. Danny said he found. What? What's down there? Oh, yeah. That other one didn't ride.